to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. Welcome back, everybody. So, Coffin Girls, this is another little nail mail video. I did get this in the mail today and just wanted to do a quick video just to show you guys what I got in. So this is a jelly nail polish set, and then this is a stamping tool set. Honestly, I really suck at stamping. I want to get better at it. One of my friends, shout out to Jeanette, has been kind of showing me how to stamp better. So I wanted to get some stamp plates of my own and just kind of give it a go. And I've been dying to have some of the jelly polish. I know I'm late on the jelly train, but you know what? Better late than never. So just a quick overview. There are 6 colors here. These are from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. There is a green, an orange, a purple, a blue, a pink, and a yellow. And I will open each one and just give you a quick view of them. And I am just chilling on my bed opening these. So I'm doing this all one-handed. Yeah, I was having a lazy day. I did not want to go set up camera stuff just to show y'all stuff. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. And the orange is actually very pretty. And so this is the blue. Now these look a lot darker in the bottle than what they are whenever I actually swatch them, which I'm gonna go ahead and just load 2 videos today. I didn't want this to be like a super long video, so I'm just gonna do 2 quick videos. This is me showing you what I got, and then I did do the swatches. I got this package yesterday. I'm voicing over. I got this package yesterday, and then I am doing the swatches today, which I already did. I just finished them, so I'm voicing over both videos. I'm gonna probably put one up today, put one up this evening. That way y'all have, you know, some footage, and then y'all can see those. And then I have a couple other videos that I'm gonna do. I'm going to try to do some stamping today, but I need to go get some tape. I do not have any tape, and I need tape. So I know I have a whole house with no tape, so I don't know what in the world's up with that. But these stamps are freaking amazing. This is, I don't even know how to pronounce that. B-I-U-T... booty. This is my booty collection. But these are super cute. There's like a quick little instruction list of what to do with it. It comes with 2 scrapers. It comes with a jelly stamper, and it has a small stamp on one end and a bigger stamp on the other end. It comes with 15 plates and the adorable little book. And, you know, I was like, oh, that book looks a little cheapy, but it actually does the job. I mean, it's, you know, you're definitely getting what you paid for. I think this set, if I'm not mistaken, I paid $17.99. I'll insert a photo somewhere through here of screenshots of both of the products that I'm showing y'all in this. But these are really cool. I'm struggling to get a good angle, so bear with me, but I'm gonna do a little bit of stamping, and I haven't done my stamping today, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But I did peel off all the blue things, the blue covers, because these do come with covers. And so later today I will try to do some stamping. The blue cover, when you peel that cover off, these look so beautiful, and later in the video you will see that. So I'm gonna just be quiet, let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you guys so much for joining me. Be sure and watch the
pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, no. I know the truth. I hurt myself for you. Let it down. Let it down. Let it down. Sometimes. Let it down. Let it down. Let it down. Sometimes. These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight. Here we go. responsible.
So here is a view of it without the blue protective coat over it. I kind of wish I would have did this to begin with, but I didn't, so my bad. But you'll see them as I'm kind of playing with them later. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me, and be sure and stick around for the next video. Love you guys. Be sure and like and subscribe. Bye guys.